Constructed in the year 1923, the compound comprises a Mama Parsi school, Khan Bahadur Maka Parsi Dharmashala, their place of worship called a fire temple, family residences, servant quarters, and huge play area. The building was constructed by a renowned trader Kekobad Ardeshir Maka in 1923, whose son Jamshed Maka served as the permanent diplomat of Pakistan in the UNO for more than 40 years. Though historical records are unclear on who used to live in this huge compound soon after its construction, but the residents of Sukkur still remember that after partition, two Parsi brothers named Jahangir Karanji and Homi Karanji along with their families used to live in the compound. One of the elderly residents of Sukkur, Parkash Lal, remembers both the Parsi brothers. One used to serve at the National Bank of Pakistan and the other was in Vapta. Their children used to study in the St. Mary's High School. He went on to say, I don't know much about them, because they never used to mix with other people and were happy in their own world. As far as he remembers, both the Parsi families bid farewell to Sukkur in the early 1970s and never looked back. Yet another resident of Sukkur, Muhammad Qasim, who runs a pan shop in Mochi Bazar, says, Jahangir Karanji used to visit his shop daily because he loved to chew pan. Though he was a very polite person, he always avoided meeting people, Qasim says, adding, as far as I remember, both the families left Sukkur either in late 1970s or early 1980s. While visiting the historical compound, it learned that the building was in a dilapidated state and needed immediate attention of the owners to refurbish it. Most of the portion of the building was locked and therefore could not be visited, but one thing was evident from the look of the building, that it must be a great scene to witness. A beautiful and scenic brick masonry structure, with pane doors and windows still intact, but most of the glasses in the windows were broken. With the passage of time and braving thick and thin of the weather and above all neglect of the owners has turned the whole structure into a haunted house. Similar is the situation of the servant quarters, of which some have been occupied by families which claim to have served the owners of the compound. Habib Ahmad claims that his late father Bashir Ahmad used to serve as a gardener, and after his death Habib Ahmad started to work as the gardener at the property. Narrating his part of the story, Habib Ahmad said that he has been working as a gardener for last more than 40 years and not only tries to maintain the upkeep of the building, but has also saved it from the Kabza Mafia successfully. According to him, nobody except a woman named Roshan Barushaw visits the compound once in 2-3 years. Sharing the memories of the compound after taking over as the gardener at the age of 20, he said that more than 3 families used to live inside the compound, while one priest also used to live here. During my 40-year service, I have seen 2 priests, namely Dastagirji and Dinshoji, but they too left Sukkur when the families moved to Karachi. Please like, comment and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.